Hello and welcome to English Practice Beginners. Before we start, take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Sit comfortably. You are in a safe place. You do not need fast English here. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need calm listening and gentle speaking. Today's lesson is designed to help you speak English naturally, slowly and confidently in your daily life. This is not a test. This is not a classroom. This is simple English practice for real people, real life, and real confidence. Many learners think English fluency comes from big words or difficult rules, but real fluency comes from daily practice with simple sentences. If you practice a little every day, your mind becomes comfortable with English. Your fear becomes smaller. Your confidence becomes stronger. That is why this lesson is slow, simple, and very practical. Listen carefully, repeat softly, and allow your brain to learn naturally. Imagine this for a moment. You understand English. You know many words, but when you need to speak, your mind feels empty. Your heart beats faster. Your voice feels weak. This happens to many beginners. If you feel this way, you are not alone. Fluency is not about speed. Fluency is about calm repetition. And today, you are doing exactly that. In this session, we will practice daily English that you can use every single day, at home, outside, at work, or while talking to people. These sentences are not difficult. They are simple, clear, and natural. When you repeat them daily, English slowly becomes part of your thinking. Do not rush. Pause when needed. Repeat as many times as you want. Let us begin with simple morning English. The way you start your day also trains your English mind. Imagine you are waking up in the morning. You open your eyes slowly. You take a deep breath. You feel calm. You say to yourself that today will be a good day. You get up gently and start your routine without stress. English can also be calm like this. In the morning, I wake up slowly and feel relaxed. I sit on my bed for a moment and take a deep breath. I stretch my arms and feel fresh. I stand up calmly and walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water and feel awake. I look in the mirror and smile gently. I brush my teeth carefully and rinse my mouth. I comb my hair slowly and feel ready. I drink a glass of water and feel refreshed. I choose my clothes peacefully and get dressed without hurry. I make my bed neatly and like a clean space. I prepare a simple breakfast and enjoy the smell. I eat slowly and feel grateful for the food. I start my day with a calm mind and positive thoughts. Now imagine you are stepping outside. Outside English is very important. People speak quickly, but you do not need to reply quickly. You only need to be clear. English fluency grows when you stay calm in real situations. These next sentences will help you feel comfortable outside your home. I step outside and feel the fresh air. I walk calmly and look around. I greet people politely when I see them. I wait patiently at the bus stop. I check the time and stay relaxed. I get on the bus and say hello softly. I find a seat and sit comfortably. I look outside the window and enjoy the view. I listen carefully when people speak. I do not panic if I miss some words. I understand what I can and stay calm. I get off at my stop and walk confidently. I say thank you when someone helps me. I feel proud because I am using English. Now let us practice English for work or study. Many beginners feel nervous in these places, but simple English is enough. You do not need long sentences. You only need clear and polite English. When you practice these sentences daily, they become natural. I enter my workplace or classroom calmly. I greet everyone politely with a smile. I sit at my place and organize my things. I listen carefully to instructions. I ask questions when I do not understand. I speak slowly and clearly. I do not feel ashamed of mistakes. I focus on my work step by step. I take short breaks and relax my mind. I drink water and feel fresh again. I continue my tasks with patience. I thank people for their help. I feel confident because I am improving. Let us move to daily conversations. These are small sentences, but they are powerful. When you use them daily, your fluency grows naturally. You start thinking in English without force. I say hello when I meet someone. I ask how they are doing. I listen to their answer carefully. I reply slowly and honestly. I ask simple questions with confidence. I share small information about myself. I use polite words like please and thank you. I smile when I speak. I stay calm even if I make mistakes. I learn from every conversation. I feel happy because I am practicing English. Now, think about lunchtime and afternoon English. This is when your mind feels tired, so slow English is very helpful. You do not need to push yourself. Just keep listening and repeating. I take my lunch break peacefully. I choose my food and eat slowly. I enjoy every bite and relax. I talk lightly with people around me. I listen more and speak calmly. I do not rush my words. I return to my work or study with a fresh mind. I check what I need to do next. I complete small tasks one by one. I stay focused and relaxed. I feel balanced and confident. Now imagine the evening. English is soft and comfortable. This is a good time to reflect and practice gently. I walk back home slowly. I notice the sky and the air. I greet familiar faces politely. I unlock my door and enter my home. I keep my things in place. I wash my hands and feel clean. I change into comfortable clothes. I prepare a simple meal and enjoy it. I talk with family or friends calmly. I share my day in simple words. I listen carefully to others. I feel relaxed and safe. At night, your mind prepares for rest. English practice at night helps your brain remember what you learned. These sentences are calm and peaceful. I clean my space lightly and feel organized. I prepare for tomorrow without stress. I set my alarm and feel ready. I sit quietly for a moment. I think about good moments from the day. I feel thankful for small progress. I lie down comfortably on my bed. I close my eyes slowly. I breathe deeply and relax. I fall asleep calmly. Now let us talk about confidence. English fluency does not come in one day. It comes from patience. Every time you listen and repeat, your brain learns. Every mistake teaches you something. There is no failure here. There is only practice. You may feel slow sometimes. That is normal. You may forget words. That is normal. You may feel nervous. That is normal. Fluency grows when you accept this process. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. At English Practice Beginners, our goal is simple. We want to help you speak English without fear. We want you to feel comfortable with simple sentences. We want you to use English in your daily life naturally. That is why our lessons are slow, clear, and practical. If you practice this lesson daily, something will change. Your ears will understand faster. Your mouth will respond more easily. Your confidence will grow quietly. One day you will notice that English feels normal, not difficult, not scary, just normal. Remember, fluency is not speed. Fluency is comfort, and comfort comes from repetition. So listen again, repeat again, practice daily. Small steps create big results. Thank you for spending your time with English Practice Beginners. You are doing something important for yourself. Keep going. Keep practicing. Keep believing. English fluency is becoming easier for you every day. As the days passed, something slowly started to change inside me. The world around me did not suddenly become slow, and people did not suddenly change the way they spoke. English outside was still fast, natural, and moving, but my mind was not reacting with fear anymore. Earlier, every English sound felt heavy, like pressure on my head. Now those same sounds felt lighter. I still did not understand everything, but I understood enough to stay calm. This calmness was new for me, and it made a big difference in how I experienced English every day. I noticed this change one morning while travelling. A person spoke to me casually, without stopping, without repeating. Earlier, this kind of moment would make my heart race. But that day, I stayed relaxed. I did not panic. I listened, picked up the important words, and replied slowly. My reply was simple, not perfect, but clear, and the conversation continued naturally. That moment showed me something powerful. English did not need perfection from me. It only needed presence. At work, I also started feeling more comfortable. I stopped preparing long sentences in my head. I stopped translating everything word by word. Instead, I focused on meaning. When someone spoke, I listened for the idea, not every single word. When it was my turn to speak, I used simple English without fear. Sometimes my sentences were short. Sometimes I paused in the middle. But I did not stop myself anymore. Each small interaction made me feel more connected to the language. One important thing I learned during this time was how silence works in English conversations. Earlier, silence felt dangerous. I thought silence meant failure. Now I understood that silence can be normal. Silence can mean thinking. When I allowed myself a second to think, my words came out more clearly. People waited. And when they did not wait, I learned not to blame myself. Not every conversation needs a perfect reply. This understanding removed a big weight from my mind. Outside of work, daily life became easier too. In shops, I no longer felt nervous standing at the counter. I listened calmly, answered slowly, and moved on. On public transport, I understood announcements without panic. Even when I missed some words, I stayed relaxed because I knew the context. English stopped feeling like a test and started feeling like a tool I could use in my own way. At home, I continued my daily practice. I spoke English to myself while doing simple tasks. I described what I was doing in easy sentences. I talked about my day quietly. This daily habit made English feel familiar. My brain stopped resisting the language. It started accepting it naturally. Slowly, English became part of my routine, not something extra or stressful. There were still days when English felt heavy. Some days my mind felt tired. Some days conversations felt confusing again. But the difference was that I no longer felt hopeless. I understood that these ups and downs were normal. Learning a language is not a straight path. Some days you move forward, some days you stay in the same place. Both are part of progress. One evening, after a long day, I realized something important. I was tired but not frustrated. Earlier, English tired my mind in a painful way. Now it was just normal tiredness, like after learning something new. That feeling told me I was growing. My brain was adapting. My confidence was becoming stable, not forced. I also noticed that my listening skill improved before my speaking. I understood more than I could say, and that was okay. Speaking comes after listening. When I accepted this, I stopped rushing myself. I allowed English to grow naturally inside me. I stopped comparing my journey with others. I focused only on my own progress. Little by little, English started feeling familiar. Not perfect, not fluent, but familiar. I could follow conversations better. I could respond without freezing. I could express basic thoughts clearly. These small changes added up quietly. One day I suddenly realized that English did not scare me anymore. That fear which once blocked my mind was slowly disappearing. This journey taught me that English fluency is not about speaking fast or using big words. It is about feeling comfortable in real moments. It is about staying calm when you do not understand everything. It is about trusting yourself even when your sentences are simple. Confidence grows when pressure disappears. If you are listening to this and you feel lost with English, remember this part of the story. Feeling lost does not mean you are failing. It means your mind is adjusting. Your brain is learning the rhythm of the language. This takes time, and time is not your enemy. Time is your helper. At English Practice Beginners, this is exactly what we focus on: calm English, real English, daily English. We believe that when learners feel safe, they learn faster. When learners feel relaxed, fluency grows naturally. You do not need stress. You do not need fear. You only need consistency. As this journey continues, English will slowly become easier. Not because English changes, but because you change. Your listening improves. Your confidence grows. Your fear becomes quieter. One day you will look back and realize how far you have come. This is not the end of the story. This is only the middle, and the middle is where real growth happens. Keep listening. Keep practicing. Keep trusting the process. English is becoming part of your life, one calm sentence at a time.